Got a train here, guys, on the way to skiing now. Don't know if you can see, but I can't see the back of it, and it goes all the way along, and I can't even see the front of it. Tis huge. Tis very big.
Dad, get in your own lane.
Mate, I'm in my lane. Shut your face. Why do you keep thinking everyone's beeping me when they're not?
Because he was looking.
Well, he can look all he wants. He wasn't beeping me at all. I didn't fucking go out my lane. He can fuck off. And so can you. Does he himself?
Oh, smells so nice. Hey, Maria.
So it is 0.8 miles from the place we're staying. So I reckon we'll probably drag up one car, because I don't think anyone's going to want to walk with their gear even just a mile. And if there's room, they'll just chat shit. Even if there's room, I think everyone will just bang in one car and park up there for the day. Finally got some snow anyway.
Is that Madrid?
We have arrived. I think we just parked right next to Marge. Oh, you're looking for me, are you? I've got new clothes on. I'll do
It's
me
just
and
water.
I'll do you more than you know. More than you know.
If I get running, then you would have got me.
Right, let's go see where Marge is. Hello.
Hey!
Where are we?
Hey, Rob's here. I'll talk to you later. It's a lot smaller than we thought. Hey, Lily, how you doing?
Come on, what's down there?
A bedroom.
Okay.
Michelle and Lauren are gonna stay in there.
It's quite big. These your skis?
No.
Balcony.
We have a shared bathroom here.
Hi, Lily.
Lisa and I are gonna be in there.
Okay.
Tanner, Will, and Liam are gonna be in there. Keep walking through. I did not realize the bedrooms were set up like this. Keep walking through. You and Lily will be back here.
Cool.
I didn't realize that there was a privacy issue and that you have to walk through one bedroom to get in here.
That's an issue for them, not us.
It's an issue for them. Yeah.
I'm not a secret assassin who recovered my life.
Right, we have arrived at Jack Frost. Lily's all kitted out. This is Michelle. She's our instructor for the day. Partly, but me and Lily are going to this Pepsi tent to organise our lessons for today. We've got a 2-hour lesson. I'm skiing, Lily's boarding. Let's see if we can break any legs.
Stay up here, Bob.
I do. That's Lily, all suited and booted. Oh, she's getting the goggles on. Cool. Feeling confident?
Yes, not too close.
I got my skis, guys. Got the boots. Can't really feel my feet.
Get your goggles on. Do you want me to do that thing?
Yeah.
What else do you have to do in the car?
Hi. What are you doing, mate?
I'm flipping it on.
Have you undone it? Have you clipped it in?
Yeah.
This is gonna be an uncomfortable day.
Get on your face first.
Right, ready to go. So we've got a lesson. Lily's gonna go to a boarding lesson. I'm at the ski lesson. Now this is not gonna stay on. Let's get learning. Here comes Lily. Her foot ain't in the hole. Oh, get out of the way quick. Let's go to the side. My guys don't hear me. It's quite windy here. Let's go stand over here. That's better. So. It is 1 PM. I had a 2-hour lesson and then I've been going down for an hour and a half, 2 hours with Marjorie and Michelle. I'll come back up here maybe for a break, but I don't need a pee or anything, so we let them go down their own things. I haven't seen Lily for about an hour. So yeah, not a bad place. So I am going down the 2 baby slopes so far. Let's get back on it. I'm gonna have to try and film somehow going down without breaking my neck. Let's get back. Here's my skis. I'm just waiting for Lily to catch me up, and then I can get a shot of her coming down here. There she is, somewhere over here. I'm waiting. Oh, what she's doing, man? Come on, I'm freezing.
I got that on video too. I'm gonna definitely give that to your dad. You have 60 some days. Use the snow.
How's that working?
Igloos are pretty warm. Igloos are warm.
Guys, turn you around. Good morning. It is day 2 on the slopes. I am aching in places I haven't ached in a long time. Whew. I just gone down the first time. The batteries they're not great here, lithium batteries, so I just survived my first slope of the day and didn't fall over, so I guess that's a bonus. It is colder today, it is windier today. Yeah. Let's see if I can get more control today and not fall over. Let's get back to it. Hi guys, it's the evening. We are in Big Boulder ski resort now, which is not Jack Frost. This nighttime skiing, guys. So this is my first time on this slopes. Hopefully they're not stupidly more advanced. I don't know if you've seen that little kid then, he's flying. And this is twice as long as Jack Frost. I do not know how I survived that, motherfucker.
Hey, you did it though.
Fucking hell, man.
You're going pizza.
That was fucking out of control, Macy, all the way down it. I was like, yeah, just hold on with it.
Hey, you made it though.
Oh, shit. If that's the slowest one, I'm dead.
No, you're fine. You made it down.
Oh, God. Right, guys, you might have seen that I just went full fucking speed down the first hill. Oh, shit. I had no control over that. I just had to hang on, and I was looking further down the hill thinking it's gonna even out a bit so I can get control. So that's what I did. I'm not going to be able to do many of this tonight because I will die. Anyway, we're going back up for run number 2. See you in a bit.
At the bottom and like that too.
Whoa. Excuse me. See you in a bit. Yeah, I packed up my skis, it's 7:30. I was going down too fast and there was a guy stood in the way, so I moved out. I went to the left of him and there's a huge hole. I nearly died. They're closing most of the things now, so I'm gonna get out of here, wait for the other 3. You alright? Oh, yeah. I just got told off for not having snow boots on, so I'm gonna get out of here. I'll head back to the car and wait for the other guys. I hope you've enjoyed watching my sexy balaclava face. So I'm gonna head back to the gate and get out. That's skiing over, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. Guys, what evening it's been here. Oh, I can't even see the path. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get out. So, good morning. Constantly from 7 PM last night. It is now the boot's open. It is now 10 AM and we are packing up, ready to go. That's how cold it is. The Coca-Cola has frozen. Yeah, so we've been in the POCONOS mountain. Sorry if I've got sleep on me, I'm still tired here. For skiing. It is now over. So everybody else left yesterday. Marjorie, Michelle, Lauren left at about 2. Lisa, Athena left at about 3. Will and Tanner left at about they left at about, I'd say 5:30, 6 in the middle of one of the Super Bowl playoffs. And then me and Lily have stayed overnight because there's Wi-Fi here. And we've got to get off by 11. So now I'm just going to wait for Lily before we can get out of here. Right, I managed to get out the space. Woo! Waiting for Lily, as usual. And the man with the snowplow is on his way. Here's the man with the snowplow. Well, he was going to bury me back in the driveway, so I needed to get out. Right, let's go. Whew, it is cold. Right guys, one of the good things here in America, not the UK, is I've just been into the petrol station, give him $50, and then you stick the pump in and it's got the little catch on it, so you can just get back in your car, keep warm and keep your eye on the pump. It will automatically stop at the 50. Jobs are good in.